Start by removing the doors from the cabinet. Remove the brown protective glides. Glides are on the top of the cabinet and are used for transportation. Upper cabinets can be either held in place or supported by a stand. Place the cabinet in position. If holding in place, use a clamp to secure when joining. Drill pilot holes through the inside of the cabinet. Using 28mm screws, screw from the inside of the cabinet through to the other cabinet at the front and back to secure together. Place the front screws to the front of the hinge plate so that they'll be hidden when the door is on. Screw the first cabinet to the wall before adding any others. For every additional cabinet, first secure to the cabinet alongside, then to the wall. How the cabinet is attached to the wall depends on the wall type. See our hardware and fixings guide for more details. Once the cabinet is secured to the wall, return the doors to the cabinet.